Hello family, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angela and this channel is all about beauty, fashion, and life, and particularly for the woman over 40. But today's video is for every woman. I don't care if you're 5 or 50. Well, I'm 50, so 5 or 90. Let's go with 5 and 90. Yes, all of in between, everybody in between can get some of this. So a lot of you have asked me to do videos or a video regarding how I do my head wrap. So that's what today's video is all about. Before I get started though, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I'd love it for you to join my YouTube family. You can hit that subscription. What is it?
Hit the subscribe button.
You can hit that subscribe button below, and if you'd like to be notified when I upload videos once or twice a week, you can just hit that notification bell. If you're interested in seeing a few ways I style my head wraps, then stay tuned. Now, let's get started. So to start off, I like to have my hair slicked down into a tight ponytail, but this time I've cornrowed my hair. I have on a wig cap and just kind of tuck my braids in under the back, as you can see here, so that it's all just slick and then interfere with my scarf technique or look. So the first scarf I've taken and just kind of rolled it into just a ball. There's no technique, just roll it into it's a nice little ball. Then you take your long scarf and you fold it in half. See, it's folded in half. Gather it up a little bit like this. Put it over the back. And I like to fold this back, and I'll show you why in a second. Fold it back. Then I'll tie it. To one line. Nice and tight. Oops, let me just take these earrings off. Just kind of untuck my ears a little bit. Then I find that hole, tucked it back. Just kind of stuff this in there. Like that, yes. Okay. Then I'll start with one end of the scarf. Now wrap it around, not too tight, just kind of loose. Like this, just get that one out of the way. Until you get to the end, you just kind of find you a place to tuck it. Tuck it in, like that. Now you have this piece and you want to go in the opposite direction. You want this piece a little tight. And then when you get to the end, just find you a place and tuck it. And then you just kind of play with it a little bit till you get the look that you want. You can push it a little bit further back off your face, have your ears out a little bit, like this. That's the final look. For look number 2, I'm also gonna have the ball. It's similar to look number 1, but it's a little different. So I'm gonna put this on my head again. Fold this back. Make sure the ends are about the same. Tie it, put my ears out, left that hole there. So pull that scarf up, that's why I folded it back. Now, your ball is covered, just kind of try to get it centered as much as possible. Now, you take your ends and just kind of start twisting. flat. Let's twist. Like so. You can just wrap that around. Put that out your way. Wrap that around. And you just find you a place and you tuck it. Okay? Just make sure everything is just tucked. You take this side and you do the same. Twist all the way to the end. Now you're gonna wrap this side around. That wrapped. Then you just find your spot over here and you tuck it as well. Tuck, tuck, tuck. So it's kind of the same, but not the same. This style is a little tighter than the first one. The first one's more flat. This one is more three-dimensional. Just gonna pull your ears out a little bit. There you go. And if you don't like your ball this high, you can get a tighter scarf or get something real small, like maybe a pair of socks and just something that's a little bit smaller, then your puff up top won't be as big, but you know, I like the extra of it all. Style number 3, also front. Just pull it back just a little bit. Just a little bit so I can tie my knot. It's even. Just kind of tie my knot the same. Just a little bit to the side. That's flat. I'm going to take these. I'm just going to twist them around each other. Then I'm just going to wrap. Take that in, twirl, and you just kind of tuck it under. Any pieces that are hanging out like this, you just kind of tuck under. It sits a little lower on your forehead. Your ears out. There she goes. Look number 4 is also a top bun. So these are in half. I'm gonna put it over my head. Like so. I just take all of this and twist it as tight as I can because it needs to be tight. And just one big twist out. Just keep twisting. Kind of wrap it under itself. That's going to give it some height. And just twist that in and wrap it under and pull into. That's just quick and easy. You don't have to think about that. Done. Back. This is when I just want to run out the house. Hurry up. Get her going. Number 5 is a back bun. So just kind of scrunch it up like this. Not yet. So can you see it? Tied in a knot. This needs to be really tight. And I like mine off to the side because I'm extra like this. So I'll tie mine off to the side like this. Then I'll take these two. Just twist these together. Just wrap like this. Wrapping up under itself, and that just keeps it tight and secure. Twist and tuck up under until you have nothing else left. Anything that's sticking out, you just tuck. So it kind of sits to the side. Let's keep from the back. This is how it looks from the front. So you got your little side piece right here. And then you can move this back because you have extra fabric up here from the gathering. Just be gentle and unfold a little bit. And you can slide it back a little bit till you get it where you want it. Like this. Style tip. So if you don't have a head wrap or a scarf that you can make a head wrap out of, saw this on TikTok and tried it and it worked. You can take a long sleeve t-shirt. So this is my Faded Glory from from Walmart. Long sleeve gray t-shirt. This is the front opening. This is the back opening. Put it over the back of your head like so. Just kind of tuck it together like this. Just kind of wrap. Try to get the sleeves to kind of wrap around the shirt. Like that. If you can. Just have to be patient. Just take your time. Like that. So if you do this, it'll look nicer and neater when you finish. Just kind of wrap it around. Tuck that sleeve under there. Just kind of tuck as you go. Just tuck, kind of tuck. See that seam right there? If you have a seam sticking out, you can just tuck it under. Gives you a nice, solid bun. Look at that. Hey, sometimes you just got to use what you got to get what you want. There it is, perfect example. Right? That's cute, right? I should try it with some tights because I saw that on TikTok too. Bam, done. Bye-bye. Well, that's it, family. I hope you enjoyed this little head wrap tutorial, and hopefully you'll figure out how to do a head wrap for yourself. They're quick and they're convenient. Just a great bad hair day solution. Again, thank you so much for your time and spending your time with me. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.